I am the door. By me if any man enter in, he shall be saved, and shall go in and out, and find pasture. May God bless you. Amen. Kay kong khar chukani tupo kay alu chuan hum himin a om anga alu tin a chuak anga a ei tur mu bokang isuan min hum himang lalpan mal som chero se. Amen.